What's happening, everyone? My name is Alex and welcome back. The one thing that nobody likes doing in the summer is cleaning the swimming pool instead of enjoying the swimming pool. In today's video I'm gonna show you a pool cleaner that will do all the cleaning for you so you can have more time to enjoy your pool. What we have here today is called the iGarden Pool Cleaner K150. Alright, so first things first, our pool cleaner here is cordless. There are no cords, there is nothing. You basically just drop this in the pool and it will start cleaning. Now, this one does something very different compared to most pool cleaners available on the market. So this one can go on for up to 15 hours on one charge, cleaning the bottom of your pool. Typically with most pool cleaners, they can go for about 2 to 3 hours before they need to be recharged. Well, that is not the case with this one. This one can go on for up to 15 hours on one charge, which is pretty insane. This pool cleaner also features a smart AI timer cleaning mode. That means that you can drop it in the swimming pool and it will clean your swimming pool every 3 days for 1 hour. This model, the red model, because there are two models, there is the red model and a black model. This is the one that has the longer battery life. So this one you can basically drop in the pool when you go on a vacation and it will clean your swimming pool every 3 days for 1 hour for up to 21 days. So if you go away for about 3 weeks, drop this in the swimming pool and it will keep the swimming pool nice and clean for when you come back. So the iGarden K150 will clean the bottom of your swimming pool. So if you have rocks, if you have leaves, if you have sand, basically anything that you have at the bottom of the pool will clean. It will also clean the walls of your swimming pool and of course the water line. So you know how the water line typically gets dirty if nobody cleans it, but basically this pool cleaner will do the bottom, the walls and the water lines. So everything in your pool will be nice and clean with this pool cleaner. So the real underwater cleaning is a combination of powerful suction plus the extended battery life. As the robot moves through water, it stirs the water flow and shifts debris, requiring multiple passes to ensure full coverage. So by combining the AI inverter-driven high-efficiency suction with a 15-hour battery runtime, the iGarden K series can repeatedly sweep from floor to walls, guaranteeing every spot is thoroughly cleaned. The iGarden K150 also looks very different than all the other pool robots that I got to try. So this looks more like a little race car going through your swimming pool than anything else. This particular model, so the red one here, also has glossy automotive paint that's UV and corrosion resistant. So yes, it does look very, very different than all the other pool cleaners that I got to try up until now. And it kind of adds a bit of luxury to your pool, let's say. At the top here, we also have a large debris basket. This is a 4-liter debris basket. It's actually got a bunch of things in it, a bunch of leaves. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I'll show you in a different shot. So with that 15-hour battery life and the large basket here, you can have this going in the pool for quite a while because the basket here will not get full that easily. You can also easily rinse this, so you open this large plastic door, let's say, and you can rinse it to the hose and everything is gonna fall out of it. So having a basket like this is also quite handy. Just below the iGarden logo here we have a very sleek display, so that's how you kind of interact with the pool cleaner. You basically power it on, you select what cleaning mode you have. You can either have the bottom of your pool or you can have the bottom and the walls and the water line. You press the power button once again, you drop it in water and it will do all the cleaning for you. There is also a turbo mode available, so for example you have some bigger stones in the water or something like that, you can enter that turbo mode and it will have way more suction, so it's going to be able to suck up anything from the bottom of your pool. So how exactly does this clean? Well, at the bottom here, as you can see for yourself, we have a large intake hole. So basically it sucks a lot of volume of water through this and everything that's in the water will get stuck in that debris basket that we have inside the pool cleaner. On the front here we have two massive brushes that basically spin around and will clean the floor, will clean the walls, and of course the water line, as I mentioned before. In the water line mode, it will basically go up to the surface on the water line there, of course, and it will spin those brushes, keeping the water line nice and clean. But that's basically how it works. all the water goes through the robot here, and everything that's in the water stays inside our debris basket. If you're wondering how long it takes to fully charge the robot, well, for this model, the red model, about 5 hours, and for the other one, the black one, about 4.5 hours. We basically have the charging port on the back here. This is covered by a plastic flap that you have to remove, and then of course you have to put it back. The charger obviously comes in the box, and talking about the box, you're also gonna get the user manual in there and a little hook so you can actually take the pool cleaner out of the water. Another very important factor when choosing a pool cleaner is of course the warranty. So the iGarden K150 here offers 3 years of warranty that covers all the electronics and direct replacement for failures. So basically peace of mind. So there you have it. If you're looking for a pool cleaner that looks like no other, because realistically there is no other pool cleaner that I've seen that looks as cool as this. It's like having your own little race car inside the swimming pool, if that makes sense. Also, if you don't want to charge your pool cleaner every 2 to 3 hours, well, you don't have to worry about that with this one, because as I said, this can go on for up to 15 hours on one charge, which is pretty insane. Thanks iGarden for sponsoring this video. As always, there will be some links in the video's description so you can check this out. I will also leave some links to the other model, which is the black model as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer whatever questions you may have. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.